Good afternoon. Welcome back to the session 5 of the India Smart Grid Day conference. In this session, we will be covering future technologies and networking options, network failure option issues. After the very lively discussion on communication, where we found that we are still grappling with communication technologies on RAPDRP and the way forward for future AMR and AMI. In this panel, we will be discussing the new technologies that are likely to come are already on the horizon, and whether we are ready for those challenges, what all we can leverage from those new technologies, and what all we need to do to be ready for adopting and embracing them. Mr. Prakash Naik will be chairing this session. He's a director, PENA, Power Engineering and Automation Private Limited. He was with ABB for a long time, since 1984 previously. And after he completed his BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication and post-graduation in Electronics Design Technology from IISc Bangalore. He has approx 31 years plus experience in the power and automation industry. He was previously President Power Systems ABB Limited. He was a member of the Country Management Committee since 2006 and was spokesperson of Smart Grid for ABB. He was also responsible for successful delivery of various projects in the power system area. During this period, he was also responsible for factories in Bangalore and Mumbai. He's highly technology savvy, as we all in ISGF know, and likes to be part of technology developments adapted to country needs and building necessary engineering competence. He took earlier retirement from ABB to start his own company, PENA, Power Engineering and Automation Private Limited, as part of this passion of his. This power and automation domain offers a lot of challenges and opportunities in terms of technology adaptation and also competency build-up. Prakash has written a lot of articles on technology-related topics, starting with IT in power in 2001 to Smart Grid. Even now, he writes different articles on renewables, carbon footprint, technical education, resource development, etc. He has also been interviewing with leading newspapers, technical magazines. He continues as he's been associated with IET on power and technical education, the erstwhile IEEE. Next on the panel, we have Terry Mon, CEO of Microgrids, General Microgrids Incorporated, which has offices in San Diego, Miami, Washington, D.C., Nairobi, Kenya, and Kampala, Uganda. The company is a portfolio development company that engineers, builds, and operates clean and renewable electrical energy systems for rural and industrial communities. He's also the managing partner at Clean Source Energy Partners, LLC, an international energy company that delivers large renewable energy to global markets. Terry is also the project director for the Global Microgrid Center, a non-profit organization, which is a test and certification, R&D and innovation facility focused on advancing microgrid supplier capabilities to address the changing energy market. Terry has approx 30 years experience in large-scale system strategy and design. He was previously VP Innovation of BAE Systems, Energy Business, and Chief Technology Strategist for the Sempra Energy Utilities. He served 2 terms as Vice Chairman of the Gridwise Alliance. The Department of Commerce appointed Terry for a 3-year term to its Smart Grid Federal Advisory Committee. In addition, Terry is a current advisor to the DOE and California Energy Commission for Research and Emerging Technologies. He also serves as United Nations Foundation Microgrid Workgroup Chairman. Prior to his energy roles, Terry was Chief Technology Officer for an international broadband media company and founder of 2 internet companies. We have Dr. Rahul Valabalkar also with us here on the panel today. He leads emerging technologies and markets practice for customized energy solutions with focus on energy storage, renewables, demand response, and smart grid technologies, as well as international markets. He is an internationally acclaimed expert in areas covering energy management, electricity markets, emerging technologies, and new product development. Rahul has been involved in evaluating economics of emerging technologies in deregulated electricity markets since 2004. His research and consulting activities have covered complete range of smart grid, demand response, and energy storage technologies. He has authored more than 100 technical papers, presentations, including reports on demand response and energy storage. Rahul currently serves on the Board of Directors of Electricity Storage Association and is involved in providing inputs for the demand response and energy storage policy to FERC and various state agencies. He is also the Executive Director for India Energy Storage Alliance and is part of Executive Council for Alliance for an Energy Efficient Economy in India. He has also served as expert on evaluation panels for US Department of Energy's various smart grid projects and is involved in creation of industry standards as part of IEEE and NIST working groups. Rahul has also obtained Smart SGMM Maturity Model Navigator certification from CMU. He is involved in helping clients in developing smart grid roadmaps using SGMM as a management tool. Rahul holds a PhD in Engineering and Public Policy from Carnegie Mellon University. He also holds Masters in Energy Management from New York Institute of Technology and undergraduate degree in Electrical Engineering from Walchand College of Engineering, India. He is recipient of numerous awards, including Computer Society of India's Young IT Professional Award, Demonstration of Energy Efficiency Development Scholarship from American Public Power Association, and is also recognized as one of the legends in energy by Association of Energy Engineers, USA. We have Sivakumaran Govindarajan, another well-known face in India. He is an electrical engineer with MBA in General Management. He has more than 25 plus years experience in electrical power systems in all the areas of power system value chain, starting from generation, transmission, distribution, up to utilization of power. He is presently leading Hindel Power Technologies Private Limited as Managing Director. His current focus areas are renewable energy and smart grid solutions, along with traditional power business. Prior to this, Siva was working with Schneider Electric as a Director of Smart Grid Business. Dr. S.V. Kulkarni is a professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Bombay. Previously, he worked at Crompton Greaves Limited till 2001 and specialized in the design and development of transformers up to 400 kV class. He was a recipient of the Young Engineer Award conferred by the Indian National Academy of Engineering in 2000 for his contributions to electromagnetic field computations and high voltage insulation design in transformers. He was also honored with the Career Award for Young Teachers from All India Council for Technical Education in 2001. He has authored a book, Transformer Engineering Design, Technology and Diagnostics, published by CRC Press in September 2012. The first edition, published in 2004, received an overwhelming response worldwide. He has also written a chapter, Challenges and Strategies in Transformer Design, in the book Transformers Analysis, Design and Measurement, published by CRC Press in June 2012. Professor Kulkarni has set up a field computation laboratory and the insulation diagnostics laboratory in the Electrical Engineering Department at IIT Bombay. He has more than 125 publications to his credit in reputed journals and conferences. Based on his recent work in the area of transformer diagnostics, Indian and international patent applications have been filed. We also have Mr. Wayne Van Eyck connecting with us on the remote audio from Oracle. Wayne is Solutions Director, Smart Metering, Smart Grid Solutions, Asia Pacific and Japan, and Oracle Utilities Subject Matter Expert for Smart Metering, Smart Grid Solutions. In this role, Wayne advises Oracle customers and internal stakeholders on the latest developments in smart metering, smart grid, and how organizations can achieve the best business benefit from current technology and solutions. Wayne has 13 years experience within the utility industry, and this overlaps with over 15 years in the IT industry. Wayne's experience advising utilities in Australia, Asia, and Europe includes product design and strategy, implementation support, and specialist solution consulting. These international roles have enabled Wayne to gain an exceptional view of many different businesses, markets, and client needs across many different aspects of product sales, development and delivery in the utilities industry. Wayne has a Bachelor of Information Technology from Queensland University of Technology, Australia. So let's welcome our panelists today, and handing over to Prakash for the session.
Thank you.